The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Medina County in northeast Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeast Ohio, northwestern Stark County in northeast Ohio, southwestern Summit County in northeast Ohio. Until 9:30 p.m. EST. At 8:33 p.m. EST, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Dalton. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Dalton and North Massillon. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to tennis ball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Canal Fulton, Dalton, North Lawrence, North Canton, Massillon, and Greene. Precautionary preparedness actions. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building now. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.